An essential guide to the EUBrazilOpenBio. EUBrazilOpenBio is a research project funded by the European Commission and the National Council for the Scientific and Technological Development of Brazil. The project is deploying a data e-infrastructure of open access resources. These come from the integration of individual European and Brazilian data, cloud and grid infrastructures, as well as resources and technologies including the Catalogue of Life, OpenModeller, d4science.org and Venus C. This infrastructure will support the needs of the biodiversity scientific community, offering biodiversity users and application developers common facilities and computer resources. Two specific use cases have been chosen to highlight the benefits and potential of an integrated e-infrastructure. The first use case deals with the integration between regional and global taxonomies, while the second focuses on data usability for ecological niche modelling. Jointly coordinated by the Barcelona Supercomputing Centre and by CRIA, the Reference Centre on Environmental Information in Brazil, the consortium of partners encompass resource and technological providers, data infrastructure managers and biodiversity data providers, as well as policy and education network and communication experts. Each of the partners have specific roles within the project architecture and contribute to the project results according to their experience and knowledge. EUBrazilOpenBio positions itself in a moment where system engineers have to deal with challenging tasks, with highly evolving requirements, large-scale resources and player distribution, and heterogeneity of data. Too often, ad hoc solutions are deployed with unsustainable results. At the same time, e-infrastructures are becoming increasingly important tools for scientific discovery, enabling researchers across the world to share access to unique or distributed scientific facilities through user-friendly interfaces. To respond to these challenges, EUBrazilOpenBio adopts what's called a hybrid data infrastructure approach, providing a facility where research resources can be shared and exploited on demand and built on existing infrastructures and repositories. The initiative therefore supplements, not supplants, systems, mandates and arrangements, supporting an innovative application delivery model. In striving towards the creation of an e-infrastructure for niche modelling and taxonomic research activities, EUBrazilOpenBio has developed a virtual research environment, a complete system consisting of hardware, data and applications deployed to support the needs of a user community and promote effective and fruitful collaboration. Accessible through the EUBrazilOpenBio Gateway, it provides access to users' own data, shared biodiversity services, and transparent access to a diverse set of relevant resources. Biodiversity datasets such as the Biodiversity Heritage Library, the Catalogue of Life, GBIF, and the Brazilian Flora official lists of plant species from Brazil are available on the platform. This is built on software applications and tools for cross-mapping of taxonomies and ecological niche modelling, while physical compute and storage resources allow the running of applications. Designed to serve the needs of biodiversity researchers, the EUBrazilOpenBio e-infrastructure will serve mainly those working to compare worldwide taxonomic checklists and those working on the prediction of the impact of climate change on flora biodiversity through niche modelling analysis. Furthermore, EUBrazilOpenBio results will benefit citizens, regulatory authorities, policy decision makers and influencers. Indeed, it is these very groups that are the main target of all research efforts at large. The EUBrazilOpenBio web channel is the first access point to all the project facilities and the virtual meeting place for the EUBrazilOpenBio enlarged community. A training program will provide EUBrazilOpenBio target users with a path towards the complete understanding, use and reuse of EUBrazilOpenBio tools and applications. Our target users include biologists, application developers, and infrastructure providers. What you have just seen is an essential introduction to the EUBrazilOpenBio eInfrastructure. A further 2 specific training models provide a targeted overview for application developers and biodiversity scientists. Look for them in the Community and Training section of the EUBrazilOpenBio web channel.